Hiring today can feel a little bit like detective work, let's be honest. You get a stack of resumes, and everyone claims to be an expert, a high performer, or a wizard of some kind. So here's the big question. How do you figure out who can actually do the job? This is where hard skills tests save the day. Instead of relying on carefully crafted resumes or interviews that reward confidence over competence, hard skills tests let candidates prove what they know in real time before they ever step into the role. No vague promises, no guesswork, no, trust me, I'm great at this, just ability. Hard skills tests are exactly what they sound like. Assessments that measure practical, job-specific abilities. If a role requires someone to read blueprints, diagnose equipment issues, prepare financial data, even operate machinery, navigate digital tools, a hard skills test turns those tasks into something measurable. Hard skills tests determine whether someone can hit the ground running or whether they will hit the ground, turn around, and ask where the instruction manual is. According to a 2019 report by the Society for Human Resource Management, HR leaders viewed a nationwide skills shortage as one of the top concerns in the field. 75% of those experienced recruiting difficulties at the time said there was a shortage of skills in candidates applying for job openings. We know that stat is a little old, but it's still a big problem, since possessing the hard skills needed for job duties is among the top predictors of good on-the-job performance. We can't help you solve the skills gap, but we can help you identify those that do possess the right skills at the right time. Employers evaluate two essential categories: hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills are the technical abilities that qualify someone for the job. The soft skills are the interpersonal traits, things that determine whether someone can really work with other people. While hard skills can get a candidate through the door, soft skills often determine how well they thrive and grow within the company. For example, a healthcare receptionist may have strong data entry skills, but without good customer-facing skills, they might struggle to work with patients or even ascend to a managerial position. You want a blend of both. Someone who can complete essential tasks and communicate without inspiring a camera crew to start filming interviews in the break room. A few principles make these tests work well. The biggest one, keep them directly tied to the job. If you're hiring a machinist, you shouldn't be quizzing them on abstract math problems about circumferences of oranges, unless your shop secretly runs on fruit logistics, in which case, carry on. Assess the things they actually do, the non-negotiables, tasks they should have no difficulty with from day one. Keep the difficulty appropriate. Keep the test length reasonable, and absolutely make sure the content is well designed and validated. Use the results alongside interviews and reference checks instead of relying exclusively on one method. Use hard skills and behavioral assessments to really get a full view. And make sure the scoring is consistent so every candidate is being evaluated fairly every time. When done right, hard skills tests make the hiring process clearer, fairer, and far more accurate. That's the power of hard skills testing. You get real evidence of a candidate's ability. Your team gets stronger and more confident. And candidates get a chance to show what they can actually do, not just what they can write on a resume. Great hires don't come from guesswork. They come from measuring what matters. And hard skills tests make that possible.